Right now, the Law Sentiment API is showing a sentiment score of 0, with momentum also flat at 0. This is striking because it suggests an unusual calm amidst ongoing legal developments, a scenario that's rare and worth your attention. What does this mean for you? The API returns a comprehensive analysis of legal sentiment, breaking it down into 18 semantic clusters, which can help you identify emerging trends or shifts in public opinion. Imagine you're tracking a high-profile case. With this data, you can pinpoint changes in sentiment even when the overall score is neutral, ensuring you're not missing subtle shifts that could impact your strategy. To dive deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's explore the nuances of legal sentiment together.